Hi there! I've got a great tool to show you today. Introducing the Wera 05051019001 Screwdriver and Bit Set. This 7-piece marvel combines flexibility and compact design, making it perfect for any job. Need to work in tight spaces? No problem. The bayonet blade retracts into the handle, letting you maneuver with ease. With its multi-component craft form handle, you'll enjoy ergonomic comfort that reduces hand fatigue while maximizing torque. Plus, the integrated magazine keeps your bits organized and ready to go. Crafted from high-quality steel, the bits are durable and built to last. No more worrying about wear and tear. Experience the power of the Wera screwdriver and bit set today, and take your projects to the next level.
Mr. Worker, work tools for professionals.